So what is up, guys? It's Gloopduck here, and we are going to be, playing Square Bird. Sorry, I started without anything. Oh my god, I ruined that. Okay, so I've been playing this game for a couple of, weeks already, and seriously, and it's actually really fun and relaxing. Yeah. Oh, wait, ad. I didn't even notice that because I was talking to you guys. Get out, you. No, I don't want to install this. There. Okay. So, these are all my birds. Well, the normal one, and here are some kind of exclusive ones. These are not exclusive, but these and down are exclusive. See, I've got the best bird. And well, if you can call it a bird. I just really want to get this. Is there a gamer chicken? I don't know. But, I hope there is because I really want Squarebird to add it. For now, I'm using the hipster chicken. Well, that's at least what I call it. Rich chicken, golden chicken, whatever. He does lay golden eggs, so he's probably rich. Okay. No, I don't. Go away. So, I am so sorry, guys. Get the hell out of here. I don't care about hoop stars. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Wait, I forgot to do it again. I forgot to put the sound on. Do you guys like the sounds of Squarebird? The sounds are super relaxing. I hope you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so here, playing. Cobra tries to eliminate me. Do cobras eat birds? I don't know. Probably not. Okay, so I have, not most of these ones. Oops, there. I don't care. Tap to restart. No! Soon I'll actually buy some. Soon I'll buy some. Maybe is there such thing as Squarebird Premium? I hope so. Okay. Wait, is my Bluetooth on? Yes, it is. Okay. Wait, what to do? Oh yeah, here. Yes, now the sound is back. Oh, come on. The sound of the eggs is so relaxing. So relaxing. Don't you think? Well, I think it's relaxing. Oh yeah, by the way, did anyone like my music videos? I personally like my own music. Made with the help of the app called GroovePad. A really good beat making app. Well, I just like making beats. Yeah, I like making beats for DJ beats, marshmallow beats. That's what I'm trying to say. Yes, get out, ads. No, I don't want. Oh my god. Is there Mergebird Premium? I swear, if there's Mergebird Premium. Sorry, why am I saying Mergebird? It's because I play a lot of merge games. Squarebird. There. Mergebird. Is there such thing as Mergebird? Is there? No! Oh my god! No, I'm not watching ads to revive. Wait. There is a premium Squarebird. How many? Okay, 12, dirhams or... Yeah, dirhams. In the country I live in, dirhams are the currency. What? Wait, my iPad is on. Oh my. Oh. Okay, how did Siri turn on? I didn't say hey Siri. I didn't. Get out. Dumb ad. Why? The relaxing sound of Squarebird. Okay, if I lose this round, I'm playing another game for this video. Perfect. Come on. In the normal world, no one likes having a fever. But in Squarebird, everyone likes having a fever. Yeah. Not that I don't know what a game fever is. Okay, no. So I play caching and merge plane. And something else. Wait. I also play Clash Royale, you know that. Caching, Merge Gems, DLS 2020. And Slither and Merge Dogs. I'm gonna play Merge Plane. I'm pretty good at it. Got the 18th plane. Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty good at this game. The best thing I can get in boxes right now is the 9th one. And I can buy here Dolphin. Wait. There. And my best one is the 18th. Look how fast it goes. That's pretty fast. Come on, you gotta admit. Okay, the best one I can buy is Cannon. That's pretty good. Yeah. By the way, I level up really fast, so probably in a day or so, in let's say maybe 2 days maximum, I'm gonna be watching my own video and saying, yeah, yes, I had the 18th one, no biggie. I will probably have the 20th one next time, and I have the 6th one. And ever since I think ever since I got Thunder, it's been in my game merge board. Yeah. No, please no. No, not weather. Okay, for the next, let's say 5 minutes of the video, we are going to be playing Okay, I'm gonna replace slither. I'm not in the mood for DLS 2020 today. I am, well, it's good that, wait, my username here is GloopDuck Gaming. GloopDuck Gaming. There. I normally play against AI when I'm not recording, but now for you guys I'm gonna play online. Because who plays AI and puts the video on YouTube? Answer, well, I don't know. Do I know everyone? No. Exactly. Okay. The first thing you should do in Slither is collect some of these dots, energy thingies, whatever they're called. Oh my god, no. There's a big guy there. And there are lots of big guys in online.